Hello everyone, this is Michelle Hidalgo and today I have a message to share with you. The title of my message is, Can we live without honeybees? What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about a honeybee? Maybe the first thought that came to your mind was honey. Have you ever wondered how important are the role of the honeybee in the nation or how they create honey? Since 2006, scientists noted a high decrease in the population of honeybees. They start making research investigation to come up with explanation and a strategy to save the honeybees. Many changes in the temperature due to the global warming are affecting many species around the world. In 2007, the media released a movie called Bee to create conscience of how important is the role of the honeybee in the nature. At first, I thought that was overdramatic of the way they pictured the devastating nature. But 2 years ago, I learned in one of my classes called Botany how important is the role of the honeybees in the nature, and how we are ignoring the voices that are claiming or debating to protect our world. That's why today I want to create conscience of how important is the role of the honeybees in the nature, and to create plans to protect our planet and to stop deforesting the lands, because their decreasing are affecting our food production. Honeybees are not only the makers of the sweet honey that we buy in stores. They have 3 important functions that contribute in many processes in the nature. These processes are pollination, offspring, and food industry. Pollination is a process when a bee or another pollinator insect or wind transfer pollen to the flower's anther that is attached to the stamen, that is the male sex organ, that is attached to the pistil, that is the female sex organ. When a bee is searching for nectar, this pollen gets stuck in the sticky body. And when the bee goes to another flower's anther, this pollen gets stuck into the stigma, and this is how the offspring is created. Offspring is a process when the seeds transform into fruits. Bees are responsible about 130 fruits and vegetables are produced by cross-pollination. Another function is food industry. Bees raised on farms are responsible for 80% of the food crops in the United States, generating $40 billion for the economy of the nation's agriculture. A third of the food that we eat comes from bees and other pollinators. Between 2006 and 2007, beekeepers in the United States report losses of 30 to 90% of the domestic hive. The population of honeybees are decreasing every year. In the half decade, we have lost 20% of the national bee population. In 2015-2016, we lost 44% of the bees. We need to understand that every year, the decreasing of the population of the honeybees are increasing, are affecting many processes around the world. There are many factors that decrease the population of honeybees. The first one is a colony collapse disorder, the loss of the bee phenomenon. It's being called an urgent crisis because the number of losses are increasing every year. Another factor is the climate changes. The changes in the temperature due to the global warming are affecting the bees, because in winter it's expected to bees die, but not in summer because this is when they are most productive. Another reason is pesticides. A study made in 2013 found that 35 pesticides and fungicides, some of them lethal, are found in the pollens collected from the body of the bees. Varroa destructor. This parasite is the biggest cause of the losses of bees raised in farms in the wild bees. A study made at a university in London concluded that also wild bumblebee populations were decreasing as the domestic honeybee. because they were infected by the deformed wing virus caused by this parasite. 88% of the honeybees were affected by this virus. This parasite is highly resistant to the pesticides that beekeepers use to control the mites from inside the beehive. These pesticides are only weaken the bees' natural defenses to fight the parasite. Another reason is the cell phone tower. Cell phone waves affect the orientation of the bees, not letting them go back to the hive. Not only bees are being affected by this factor, other pollinated species are dying too because of the using of pesticides. We need to create solutions to stop the colony collapse disorder, and we need to stop destroying lands and to create conscience to protect our honeybee population because they are important of many processes around the nation into our food production. The disappearance of pollinated species will affect every corner around the world. We need to stand up to protect all the many species around the world. We need to create conscience of how important is the role of the honeybees in the nation. Like Albert Einstein once said, mankind will not survive the honeybees disappearing for more than 5 years. We need to protect our home. Let's share this information on how honeybees are important in our planet. Thank you for listening.